Hi guys, just real quick before I get to the unboxing, I just also wanted to let you know that I'll be making a video about how I got the MacBook Pro for $850. Seems a little unrealistic, but it's true. I'll tell you guys how. Not clickbait. And also I will be doing a performance test on how it runs FortNite. Hey guys, Yimmy here. Got a brand new unboxing for you. This time it's the 2019 MacBook Pro entry level. It retails for $12.99 and I believe it's $100 off with the student discount through Apple, or Best Buy does it as well. I have it here. It's the I got the regular silver classic color. I didn't want to get the space gray. Oh, Winnie says hi, by the way. He wanted to be in the video, so he joined me here. So this one, I'll zoom in on the specs here, but for now I'll tell you it has the 1.4 gigahertz quad-core Intel i5. It's turbo boost up to 3.9 gigahertz, and I got the base 128 gigabyte model SSD. It's kind of low memory. I feel like I can't even back up my phone to this. But in a future video, I'll do what my plan is to get an SSD externally, and then just plug it in through the Thunderbolt. So that's my plan for the low memory, because I figured if I'm using it at home, I'll have the SSD anyway, and it'll be a portable SSD that I'll use. So it has that. It has the 8 gigs of RAM, 2133 megahertz of LPDDR3. This one, they upgraded it's not dedicated graphics, but it is the Intel Iris Plus 645, so it is upgraded from the previous, I believe it was like 620 or something. I don't remember the model, but it is upgraded integrated memory from the previous model. And this model only has the 2 Thunderbolts on the left side of the MacBook, not the 4 Thunderbolt ports. It only has 2. Headphone jack speakers. Has the backlit keyboard, and this one now in this entry level they do include the touch bar now, as you can see in the pictures. So I'm going to be unboxing it here. Let me see what else it says on here. So size and weight, 0.59 by 11.97 by 8.36 inches. So it's the same size as it's been before since they upgraded them in 2016. In terms of weight, it's a 3-pounder, so it's really light for being a 13-inch MacBook Pro. So yeah, I just want to zoom in real quick. All right, guys. Here's the specs. So if you guys were wondering, trying to be as still as possible, so you guys can check them out. And then I'll show you guys the front. Check out Winnie in the back, just chilling on the couch. And then this is just the regular front of the box. Includes the touch bar, as you can see. Winnie, say hi, dude. All right, so we don't need scissors for this one because they changed the way they wrap them. It has the a little tab right here, and you just pull it. Winnie, you could have done that, dude. Winston's a little tired. We're moving, so that's why you see the mess in the background and everything. Don't mind it. In the process of moving, it's stressful. That's why I haven't been streaming, if you've been wondering. I'll be back at it soon. Yeah, so let me just, here it is. Boom. Took off the lid, and then this is how it comes. Man, silver. You got a tab right here. Lift it up. Man, I haven't had one of these bad boys. I used to have the really old thick one. I think it was like the 2011 15-inch. So this is like it's a game changer. I haven't rocked MacBooks too much. I'm more of a Windows guy. So, but I have an iPhone, so I want to see how this experience of switching from Windows to Mac goes, getting used to the software and whatnot. think it's 2 meters, 6 feet. Charging cable. Power brick, it's pretty small. These are both USB-C, double-ended USB-C. And then there's the stickers, I think. Everybody loves seeing the stickers for some reason. And you get 2 white ones. I don't know why, but they should be silver. I thought they matched the color. Yeah, so nothing else comes in the box. So we got charger. Now let's take it off and power her on. Hey, baby. All right. This is the very satisfying peel. I like keeping this. Then you're gonna have the so there it is. Boom. I did buy a protective shell from Amazon so that I don't have to worry about scratching this. I'll show it in the video here in a second. Right, open it up. Plastic, this paper here protecting the screen. Oh! And I know that they added the 4th generation butterfly keys to this new updated 2019 MacBook Pro. Now I don't know, oh, it auto starts. I don't know, it turns on by itself. So there it is. Touch bar looks nice. I don't know how to use it. I've never used it before, so I'll have to look into it. Okay. So yeah, it's really small. All right, guys, just wanted to show you the MacBook Pro hard shell case that I bought off of Amazon. It's made by Mosiso. Right here, Mosiso came in here. It is the gray color. I think they have about 20 different various options in colors. I got the gray, and it's very flush. It doesn't add a lot of thickness to the MacBook, and I like it because it's gonna protect from any scratches or, you know, little dings when you set it down. It just gives me, it helps me sleep at night knowing that I'm not gonna scratch this bad boy. So yeah, this is the gray color, and then it came with a keyboard cover, but I'm not gonna use this because it's a little sticky, and I think it's gonna affect the way it feels when I type, and it's just not gonna be a good thing for me, so I'm not gonna use that. It also included this screen cover for the screen, obviously, included. And last but not least, it included this little case or pouch so that you can carry around your charger and brick, or even maybe any other accessories you might have. And this was all for the I think it was $12.99. So it's definitely a good deal. It includes a lot of stuff. You don't have to purchase, you know, a screen cover, case, and a bunch of different things for it. So link will be in the description. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already.